According to Business Insider and Bloomberg, Tesla increased pay for its factory workers in the U.S. last month, according to internal documents. The new pay structure, effective from January 8th, ranges from $22 to $39 per hour, with 3 regional tiers based on living costs. Workers in California receive the highest pay, while those in Texas and Nevada receive the lowest. Tesla categorizes its factory workers into 7 levels, and the highest-paid Level 7 workers receive $35.50 per hour. The pay hike comes as part of a market adjustment, impacting over 140,000 employees. Tesla is among several car makers, including Toyota and Hyundai, raising wages recently, possibly in response to union pressures, with the United Auto Workers eyeing Tesla. The company's performance reviews use a 5-point system, and bonuses are offered in the form of cyber wallet rewards, which can be used for paid time off, cash rewards, or stock options. Let us know what you think on this increase in pay, as well as the level of pay for Tesla employees. Please subscribe, follow, and share. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.